Solve the following system of inequalities graphically. So when we have a system of inequalities, we need to put them on the same set of axes, shading one way or the other, and any place where these shaded regions overlap is the solution to the system. So we'll start with graphing them individually. So the first one, y is less than or equal to 4 minus x squared. So this is going to be a parabola. It's shifted up 4 units, but it's facing downward because the leading term coefficient is negative. The zeros on the x-axis, that is, would be positive and negative 2. So there's a couple of additional points that we could use to help make a decent sketch of a parabola here. Now, if I were to draw the parabola in, I would need to use a solid line because it's less than or equal to, so we're including the boundary. So that means I need to use a solid line. Okay. Lastly, I just need to see if I'm shading the inside of this parabola or the outside. So I'll take the origin as a test point and see if it comes out to be a true statement or not. So I'll just take that and plug it into this inequality, which would give me 0 is less than or equal to 4. And that is a true statement. So what that means is I shade the parabola this way, so the inside of this parabola. Okay, moving on to the next curve. This looks like a circle, and the circle is radius 3, centered at the origin. So what I will do is draw some points 3 units away from the origin and put a circle through them, but this circle needs to be a dashed line because it's just less than 9 and not less than or equal to. So I will draw a circle with a dashed line as best I can here. Okay, yeah, let me try that a little bit better. There we go. Now I need to shade either the inside of this circle or the outside of the circle. So I pick again on the origin just because it's an easy point to use, and I plug that in. So 0 squared plus 0 squared is 0, and that's certainly less than 9, so that's a true statement. So then the part that is the solution region is going to be, well, the part that's the solution to the circle is inside the circle. Okay, so this region through here. Now the solution to the system is where all of these solution regions overlap, which would be this part right through here. And because that's getting a bit messy, what I'll do is just try and erase some of the ones that don't matter. And that way you can just see the solution region in the end.